stock Android is the most boring smartphone UI ever. Just behind Windows. That home screen looked horrible and is the only reason why Windows failed. Imagine looking at the same ugly home screen every time and your friends having different home screens with different wallpapers. Some companies like Samsung in models like Galaxy S3 even offered an interactive wallpaper along with live wallpapers that made your phone look so much cooler than others. Even Apple offered a decent home screen. But if we talk about my experience with Android, then I always preferred phones with different skins than stock Android. For me, stock Android is an incomplete version of Android with unlimited customization possibilities theoretically, but in real life it wasn't any good. The third-party customization apps that you downloaded from Play Store don't work as intended. Some got killed in the background, some stopped working out of nowhere. There were a lot of glitches with these apps. But the skins that the phone companies gave were awesome, with features that you wished come with stock Android. I remember a time when Android phones didn't even offer torch and I had to use video camera to use flashlight. I had a Redmi 2 phone as my first Android phone. Man, that device was awesome. It had a feature which made it leap ahead of other devices, that was full system theme support. Changing a theme changed the icons, dialer, setting page, new font was applied system-wise. Even the quick toggle panel was changed. Plus that phone had music controls in the quick panel. And on top of it, it had 3 different types of lock, all with different passwords, making your data more protected. Device lock that came with Android, app lock, and a third privacy lock on File Explorer. Plus, as far as I can remember, there wasn't any specific data control setting in stock Android. The dialer sucked ass. Call recording, well, forget it. We got native screen recorder in skins before Android implemented it. I remember using the data control option in my phone to save data by turning off mobile data for a specific app. It was also useful in getting rid of ads in some apps. We had dark mode in some skins before Android gave it. Plus the option to take scrolling screenshots. Stock Android didn't even offer floating windows that could be resized and dragged for almost any app, for which Android is known nowadays. Plus the sidebar feature was also not present. Correct me if I'm wrong in comments, but I think it's not there even today. You might say, but Android is fully customizable and we could download third-party apps from Play Store to use all these features. But the problem with this is third-party apps don't perform as well as apps made specifically for your device, and these third-party apps crash frequently. This is the reason I hated those rich tech YouTubers who liked stock Android. I was like, man, really? I mean really? You are okay with this boring featureless phone that is missing normal useful features? And it was almost all the so-called tech YouTubers. I think these people used to use an iPhone as their main device and just used to use Android device for showing it to the camera. I mean, how come you are okay with the boring ass phone as your daily driver, especially if you are a phone geek? These are the same people calling a phone bad for not having a glass back, even though it not having reverse charging. Man, the worst thing you could have on a phone which you intend to use for a long time is that glass panel. You'll never use it without cover even if you like it, or you are rich, or you don't care for longevity of your phone. Man, I miss when phones that were made of plastic or metal and we were able to use them without cover with much less worry than today with phones with glass back.